ये किधर?
हेलो,
हाय पश्मीना, एंड आप चारों से सवाल है।
ये सवाल
फिल्म की शुरुआत हो चुकी है, करियर इस फिल्म से आप लोगों के करियर की शुरुआत हो गई है। सो वो ऐसे कौन कौन से एक्टर हैं इस फिल्म के बाद जिनसे आप बहुत ही इंस्पायर्ड होते हैं, जिनकी फिल्में आप लोग बहुत देखते हैं, आने वाले दिनों में आप उनके साथ में काम करना चाहते हैं?
क्या
बोला
अरुण नल्ला।
जिब्रान, आपसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं।
Okay, I heard Shahrukh from behind. Yes, of course, Shahrukh Khan, 100% Shahrukh Khan. और जो भी
I really like Manoj Bajpayee's work.
क्या बात है।
And I would love to work with someone like Manoj Bajpayee, Rajkumar Rao, Vikrant Massey. These are my favorites.
Superb.
So for me, I've always said it, I can't wait for the day I get to work with Shefali Shah ma'am. I think she's an incredible actress and I'm such a huge fan. Also Vidya Balan ma'am. I think there's just this really endearing quality about her that makes you want to keep watching her. And I want to meet her and I want to keep watching her and I want to learn that quality. So, and watch her, yes. So,
I would really, I'm manifesting it right now, like to work with Ranbir Kapoor.
क्या बात है।
And my second manifestation, I would love one day to do a film with my cousin as well, Hrithik.
सही है।
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one last question, yeah? Fine.
That I passed on to my co-stars. I don't think they need advice from me. They're really amazing. But honestly, that's an interesting question. I would say that the main advice that I've gotten from him is to work very hard and very diligently. Put your 100% in everything, which I think they already did. Everyone has put in a lot of effort, blood, sweat and tears in this project, and I hope it translates, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the trailer, and I hope you guys come on 21st June and enjoy as much. Thank you guys.
पश्मीना,
Sukha bhel, medium spicy. Oh my god, I want to go and do that right now.
जू है बांद्रा।
जो
है।
Saying that, but I have to ask that I'm sure at some point everyone's been through a heartbreak. What's your personal way of dealing with a heartbreak or a coping mechanism, and how important is it for you all to not break the bro code?
oh, very important. Very important.
So Sahir, my character's name is Sahir Singh Rajput. And Sahir, the similarity I feel between Sahir and me is, Sahir is very sensitive and he's a giver and he'll do anything for his friends. And I think that is one quality which is similar between Sahir and me. That's it.
Character Raghav is actually very, very different than who I am as a person. So I don't necessarily relate to him at all because he's somebody who finds it very hard to say no to his friends. I do find it hard to say no to my friends also. Like he puts them above himself, and he I think gets into situations that he does not belong to. He has boundary issues. He doesn't understand boundaries, and I feel like I do understand boundaries very well. So I think that's how we're very different, but I do relate on one aspect of his life is that he's very confused and he makes so many mistakes and then he immediately regrets it. So I feel like I do that too, so that's one bit where I resonated with him, but otherwise it's a very different character than who I am as a person. Yeah. Thanks.
I actually resonated quite a bit with my character Ria. She's a vulnerable girl, but she's extremely headstrong and level-headed and fights for what's right. There are certain layers to her that I can draw in terms of seeing parallels between a Naila and a Ria, which was very exciting. I feel like I'm a little bit more fiercer than Ria as a person. So I had to bring out my vulnerable side, but that's the fun as an actor, to bring out something that's not you. So I feel like the vulnerability aspect was different, but the fact that she's strong-headed is very much Naila.
Yeah.
With your characters.
Okay, so I've said this before. I did not relate so much with my character because I am the type of person that I find it difficult to say no. And I think Sanya finds it difficult to hear no. So it was really unique to play her. But eventually, when I did play her, I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed setting boundaries and saying no and being a little bit of a tundi, if you can see in the trailer. So it was different, but now maybe we're kind of similar because I adopted some qualities from her into my personality too. Yes. I think Mama and Papa have been married for at least over 32 years, and they still go on dates every day. They go to Geo Mall, you will see them. I want a love like that. That's lasting, and there's romance in that age also, after so many years.
क्या बात है? क्या बात है?
रमेश जी, और आप लोग कितना ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन इश्क में बिलीव करते हो या न्यू ट्रेडिशन इश्क में बिलीव करते हो, क्या है?
क्या बात है? क्या बात है?
मेरा एक hypothetical question है, which I believe a lot of us must have faced or may not have faced in life. अगर आपकी दोस्ती रहती है किसी से, एक शख्स से लंबे समय से, और फिर ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो शख्स आपसे इश्क करने लगता है, लेकिन आपने उस शख्स को कभी उस नज़र से नहीं देखा, ऐसी स्थिति में उस दोस्त को कैसे मनाया जाए और क्या उसकी दोस्ती को कैसे बरकरार रखें, इस पे कुछ कह सकती हैं आप?
Oh my God, ये तो बहुत इंटेंस क्वेश्चन है. आई होप ये कभी किसी के साथ हो ना, बट अगर हो जाए तो आई थिंक इन लाइफ communication is the solution to most problems. If human beings sit and interact and communicate without having judgment, most problems and most contentions can get solved. So communicate kare, we'll sit, we'll talk about it multiple times if it comes to that. But do whatever it takes for the friendship to not break. Like they've all said that your childhood friends or your closest friends, they're your rock. Without them, your life is nothing, literally. They're your chosen family, honestly. So you do whatever you can to not let that break. Yes.
करते हैं या relationship के?
ये बहुत भारी question है. My best friend is right here.
Shahid Kapoor.
Sir, honestly, it's happened already. It started off with the title track when it released. Everyone compared. I think it's firstly a huge honor to even be compared to somebody as legendary as Shahid Kapoor. I have absolutely been a huge fan of him over the years, especially starting with Ishq Vishk, considering that was his first film. I remember watching him dance to the title track, which was actually a part of a massive medley. It was a small part of that. And I remember watching that and being in awe of how amazing a dancer he was. And of course, over the years, he's proven himself to be a phenomenal actor. So, the moment I'm being compared to Shahid sir, I think it's a huge honor in the first place. But at the same time, it's an honor. I feel like I don't want. I take it in best spirits, sir, because in all honesty, I don't have that kind of pressure that I'm trying to fill his shoes, because it's a very different story. It's a very different story. The characters are very, very different, and so the situation in the film is very different. I've said this many times before in my interviews. I'm pretty certain you guys have heard it. I said it even during the title track launch, that it just belongs to the same franchise, the two films. There's nothing similar about the film. Of course, we've been fortunate. Thank you, Ramesh ji. Thank you, Nipun. Thank you, Jaya, our producer, for letting us, get those tracks back in our film to give us that honor. But in all honesty, sir, I honestly take it in the best spirit, and I feel deep down I feel very happy that somebody is comparing me, because I know that if I had to choose between Rohit and Shahid, I would always choose Shahid.
I choose you! It's just 10 days to go, guys, so all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Like Sir Ramesh sir mentioned that you never revealed that you were the K3 ji ka bacha during the auditions. Yes. But you know, playing Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol's on-screen son, has that ever, has that weightage ever been there now that you are foraying into films?
No, not at all, not at all. I think in fact it's a privilege, it's an honor to play their child at such a young age. And I feel that the amount of love which has transcended over the years, it's unconditional. Like even today people give me that same love, and I just hope it continues with Ishq Vishk and inshallah whatever happens in life. So there's no pressure, but there's just too much love, and yeah, there's too much love. Thank you.
Lastly, Rohit, how do you 2003 mein Ishq Vishk aaya tha, it changed the game in a way, it brought instant stardom for Shahid Kapoor. And now, with Ishq Vishk Rebound coming, to what extent do you think is this film going to be a game changer for these 4 budding amazing stars?
उस वक्त भी जब इश्क विश्क आई थी तो एक नई पिक्चर थी, एक ऐसी कॉलेज फिल्म थी जो इससे पहले कभी आई नहीं थी। तो अभी मैं जो देख रहा हूँ अभी जो इस माहौल में जो चल रहा है, अभी इतनी पिक्चरें जो आ रही हैं, एक्शन ये वो, तो उसमें मुझे ये लगता है डेफिनेटली ये पिक्चर डिफरेंट है, यंग है, और आज के जनरेशन की कहानी है, आज की जो जनरेशन है उसकी कहानी है, और उन्होंने सबने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। और मैं आई एम वेरी होपफुल एंड पॉजिटिव that these 4 will be also big stars.
Looking so stunning.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Pashmina, आपकी 3 सिचुएशन है. Okay, तो आपको चूज करना है between रोहित, नाइला, जिब्रान. इस सिचुएशन में आप किसको चूज करेंगी? ठीक है?
क्या सिचुएशन क्या है?
ठीक है.
अच्छा, आप बताइए.
हाँ, मैं बताऊँ. पहला सिचुएशन है prom night.
Hello.
Rohit.
Yeah!
Okay, so you're on a very boring date. Okay. You have to make a rescue call.
Gypsy always.
और आपका बहुत बुरा breakup हुआ है and you want to vent out.
Naila.
Oh, so cute. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
रोहित, आपको भी ऐड करना है ऐसे 3 सिचुएशन?
नहीं, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरा नाम उन्होंने लिया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
Thank you.